Warning. We document the once inhabited structures of our shared forgotten past, while scratching bloody the itch of curiosity that haunts our imagination. Or maybe we just make videos about abandoned places without taking ourselves too seriously. So let's go on another adventure, friends.
Alright, so where are we going, Sean?
Today we're going to Van Slyke Castle.
And this is the inaugural episode of
Adventures Abandoned.
Turn left onto Deer Ledge Road.
I'm lost and the people behind me know it. Today we are going to Van Slyke Castle. Or Van Slyke. One of those two names, I don't know. And this place was built maybe 100 plus years ago. A wealthy guy that worked out of Manhattan. Can you imagine traveling from here to Manhattan?
That'd be a pain in the ass.
Yeah,
especially back then when there's less highways and you know,
yeah.
100 years ago or 150 years? Yeah.
100 years ago, yep. But he was a very wealthy real estate investor out of New York. Or he traded stocks. One of the, it was one of those two.
Or as a horse trader, I'm not sure.
Could have been that. Could have been that. It was one of those three things. It was one of those three things. Unfortunately, he died, but he left the castle to his wife, and she lived there for many, many years. And when she passed on, the family had a big dispute over who gets the house. Well, the house ended up burning down. Yeah, that doesn't sound suspicious.
No, not at all.
Nope.
What a coinky dink.
So, place was left for ruins. Now, we're gonna go there today and explore. Dark greetings, friends. Welcome to Adventures Abandoned. Today, we are at Van Slyke Castle. Or is it Van Slyke? It's one of those two names. But we are at an abandoned castle today. Didn't think you could find an abandoned castle in New Jersey? Guess again. Yes, you can. So today, we're gonna go up that hill. We're gonna take a look at this place. So what do you say, friends? Let's go on an adventure. When we were here last, no one was even in this house. Glad to see someone got it, you know?
Badass house.
It is. I mean, it was such a good house. It was a shame to watch it go to waste. Now just imagine if we had to hike.
Oh yeah, this 2 minutes I'm huffing a little bit. It was 11 minutes of car ride up a gradient of like 40 degrees the whole way here. And we're huffing and puffing right now. And we've only been here for 2 minutes.
I didn't think my Mustang could go off-roading. Well, there it is.
That's just badass. Just above the tree line, I know there's a sick view, you could tell.
Oh yeah.
I hear a waterfall, I think.
No, that's
just wind?
just wind.
Wow.
But it sounds nice and spooky, doesn't it?
It definitely does.
Here we go.
This is a hell of a location.
It sure is.
Season 2, we're going to Castle Dracula.
Hey, if you guys out there want us to go somewhere, hit us up in the comments section down below. Let us know.
Wow, dude. You will see every angle of this, I guarantee, folks at home. But this is my first seeing of it, and from a kid who played with Legos, I'm looking at a castle in New Jersey. Wow.
I told you.
Wow, that's so rad. This looks like in Highlander when the Kurgan fought
I can imagine pulling up here back when the house was still new, had floors, windows, heat. Driveway would circle around here. Now this used to be the main entrance.
Okay. Wow.
Yep. Now if you go walk up there, you'll see what I mean.
Yeah. Dude, this is super cool. I'm going to be Bill and Ted the whole time. Dude, this is so cool. Radical. Exceeded expectations, sir.
Thank you.
It's amazing. There's only a little bit of graffiti I've seen so far.
That's true.
Yeah. Well, you know what? It's so taxing to get up here.
Yes. By the time you're even up here.
Yeah. I gotta bring my spray cans too.
Yeah.
A little more graffiti, but still, like I said, you would think if this was closer to like the center of town, it'd be covered. You know what I mean? Because it'd be so much easier to get to. You have to earn this tag spot.
I mean, look at this place. It's now considered parkland, but to think, only a few decades ago, this was someone's house. And you know, from this angle, you can actually see New York City.
New York City! New York City!
You got all these little finger lakes down here. Matter of fact, you can even see people camping on an island all the way down there. These trails are really popular for hikers, bikers, tourists. It's a popular spot. If I was into hiking and if I was in any kind of good shape at all, which I'm not, this would be a good place to go. You got fresh air, you got exercise. Look at that view. I wasn't kidding, was I? This is a good place.
This is incredible. You must be awesome from up there.
It's cool.
Where is Sean? He was just here a minute ago. I went inside the house and now, oh, there he is.
I'm right here. Well, what do you think?
Well, I work in the chimney industry. I'm pretty sure this one is a fire hazard. I'm pretty sure you can't use this one ever. Lining this chimney will not be enough to repair it.
A little spackle, a few bricks, you're good. Swimming pool. I want to think though, a house this size had a pool even 100 years ago.
That sounds like money.
It does sound like money, yeah. Especially up in the mountains like this. But when we get to it, you'll see what I mean. How do you maintain a pool like this?
I don't know, but we should probably get in for perspective.
I mean, I'll dive in after you.
Yeah, you can see Sean over there. That's perspective. Not little. Dog days of summer, I think they call it.
Yeah. Not yet. What is it, 45 degrees? I don't exactly remember where it is, but it's a pretty cool water tower. Up the hill a little ways. I found it last time I was here, but I don't remember where it is right now. See, part of the adventure is the adventure itself. You gotta walk the trails, you gotta do some hiking. It's not easy, but the rewards, worth it. And as promised, made it to the water tower. See, places like this, way up high in the mountains, you needed to have your own water supply. There was no pipes running up through the mountains, so you had to have your own water tower. Castle's over this area somewhere. I have to get down through here. It might not look like much from where you're sitting, but believe me, there is no easy way down this hill at all. Come to think of it, how did I even get up here? Well, what'd you guys think? Was it a cool adventure or what? I'm psyched. I thought it was pretty good. Not bad for it being windy and cold and almost raining. Not bad at all. That's what adventures are all about. Thank you for joining us today on Adventures Abandoned. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. Go ahead and click that like button if you haven't done that already, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that either. As always, thank you very much. We'll see you next time on our next adventure. And if you've been watching the video this whole time, you should know by now. Don't trust me for historical accuracy.